If you are wondering if there is a built-in dual app feature available on the Redmi A7 Pro, then the answer is unfortunately no. You will not be able to find the dual app feature on this phone by default. Usually you can find it by, for example, opening settings, then you can scroll down a little bit and proceed to apps, and then usually here you have a dual app option that you can use, but as you can see, not in this case. Also, you can check out security in order to try to find it in here. Sometimes you can find it in common features, or you can just scroll all the way down and swipe up to open the toolbox, and usually you can find it in here, but as you can see, it is also missing. So unfortunately, no built-in dual app feature that would allow you to clone apps. And I guess that the only way to actually clone apps on this phone is by using a third-party app that allows you to clone apps. So if you want to give it a try, you can just go to the Play Store and you can search for clone apps, dual apps, or something like that. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.